Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 lasts barely 5 minutes, you're not alone. This symptom usually indicates a failing battery, which is common as these batteries age. If you don't address this issue promptly, your vacuum's performance will continue to decline, making it less useful for your cleaning needs. To perform this repair, you will need a replacement battery for the Dyson V8, a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dustbin. Locate the red release button, press it to detach the bin from the main body. Next, to access the battery compartment, you will need to remove the screws holding the back panel in place. Using the T15 torque screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws. There are 4 screws in total, so make sure to keep them safe. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the back panel away from the main body. Now, you should see the battery secured in place. To remove the old battery, disconnect the wire connector carefully by pulling it straight out. Ensure not to tug on the wires, as this could cause damage. Next, you will find 2 screws securing the battery. Using the same T15 screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them aside. Now, you can gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring that it fits snugly. Secure the battery by replacing the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wire connector by pushing it back into place until you hear a click. Once the battery is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press it back into position. Replace the screws that hold the back panel, making sure they are tightened adequately but not over-tightened, as this could strip the screws. Finally, reattach the dustbin by aligning it with the main body and pressing it until it clicks into place. Now, before you test the vacuum, take a moment to check that everything is secure, and there are no loose parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the battery's condition and consider replacing it every couple of years to maintain optimal performance. Additionally, avoid letting the battery completely drain before recharging, as this can shorten its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.